original line of thinking was getting the 6 to 9 stop because Texas, super bright. I want to be able to crank it down, control that light. Playing around with it, it's actually really dark, and I needed the other one. I went ahead and got the 2 to 5 stop also. Playing around with that. This one is much more in the range of what I need right now for a more versatile, more capturing everything more easily. The 6 to 9, it works great when you really are in that beating down sun, but a lot of what I'm doing is slight shade, slight penetration of light. So I really needed the other one. So I went ahead and got it. Now everything about this one is the exact same as the 6 to 9. It's an 82mm. I still need to use the step up lenses. Still need to use the step up rings with it to make it fit the different lenses that I have on my camera. Packaging, unboxing, stickers, the whole 9 yards. It's identical. It's the exact same thing. It's just 2 to 5 stops instead of 6 to 9. Last video I wanted to go test and we ran into rain, so I couldn't. But now we can. Took the crew out to the local park slash walkway slash field area, and we took a bunch of pictures, took a bunch of videos just to show you a different variety of what these lenses can do. So here we go. Always carry a notebook so you can take notes.
Who took the notes?
So this first set of videos is in the field. It's recorded at 4K definition, 1/60th shutter speed at an f/4.5 with an ISO of 100. First square is the ND filter setting number 2, moving on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. There's also a frame with no filter, completely overexposed, just so you can see what all these settings look like with no ND filter. Now all these photos are the exact same settings, except we're shooting at an f/5 rather than an f/4.5. Here we are at the side of the lake, still shooting in 4K, 1/60th, f/4.5, and ISO 100, running through the different ND settings, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now here are both of the filters just ramping through, 2 through 5, and then 6 through 9, and then back down, up and down, up and down. After playing around with a little bit more and kind of figuring out which filter works best in different situations, decided to have a crack at playing with some fireworks. Made a little montage, music video, playing around, B-roll, theatrical, cinematic, whatever you want to call it. Here it is. Final takeaway for these two things, they're amazing. They are really amazing. I don't know how to use them properly and professionally yet, but I can already tell that there's a vast difference in what I was doing and what I'm doing now with some of this work. So these are definitely amazing pieces of equipment. If you don't have one, I'm not getting a kickback. I could care less. It's just a good product. I like the guy. I like the company. Go buy one if you think it'd benefit you. If you don't, whatever. I hope you enjoyed the content. Really fun making these two sets of videos, actually. Trying out new stuff is always fun. And always expanding the mind, the things that I have no idea what I'm doing, and then go, oh, it clicked, I get it now. That's awesome. That's always a really good feeling no matter what it comes from. So if you're into photography, kind of, and you want to up your game, but you don't really know how, and you got the little bit of extra cash, go ahead and get one. Try it out. See how you like it. Leave some comments, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.